Hello and welcome to day number 99 of our Travel Trader series. And I'm not sure, but maybe behind me you can hear the frogs. One of the nice things you have when you live in nature and have a lot of space around you. So let's enjoy it as a little background music for the moment. And meanwhile, we have a look at how the day went in the markets. If you remember yesterday, we corrected the short trade where we thought the Dow Jones would go down. However, it started off quite well, but then it went against us. So we took the loss, replaced it with another trade. So we didn't make as much money yesterday. We only made a little bit above €30. So today we got rid of that losing trade and we are back in the profit zone. So first of all, as markets in the morning tended to go down, I put in a short position this time in the German market, although the US market was very similar. So in the morning we kind of after we started in the very early session going up, we corrected downwards then, and I made €1,425 in that trade. And we also closed two trades which were a little bit disappointing. I closed coffee where I thought we would bid more money, but we got stopped out at €248.40. And also closed US dollar, Singapore dollar now with profits of €82.87. So we made in total today €1,756.27. That's quite an impressive result for a day. Yesterday we would have been similar if we wouldn't have dealt with the negative trade before. However, we still have some more things open. First is a position in US dollar Japanese yen, which is kind of going sideways, but currently in negative with minus €475. I put on another position in wheat, thinking that the price will go up. So far that didn't happen, so we are down there at negative minus €343.20. Oil is pretty much at our break-even price, minus 70 cents, so pretty much flat. And another losing trade at the moment is soybeans, which it went down, came back, now went down again at minus €639, which is okay because all of these commodities still have some time and space to develop and to make some more money. And another trade that works out very well, also a commodity, is cotton, and cotton is up €1,809.50. So that's already pretty much what we are down with the other ones. And I invested in a real estate investment trust, so a company that's traded on the stock market and deals in real estates, because I saw an opportunity in there in the US market, and that currently is up $873 since I opened it today. So that went very, very well. And we are currently having some unrealized profits of €1,175. So the positions that I told you that are still open, if you would liquidate them right now, we would make another €1,175. We made €1,756.27 today in the trades we closed, and I'm looking forward to get a similar result at least tomorrow and ramp our account further up and up and up, so that when our trading for charity is coming up again this month, we will be able to make more money and give away more money for a good cause. And as always, if you know anything any charity that you want to support, let me know and we can consider it for one of our next payouts, and put that in the comment section below. Now, in around an hour and 15 minutes, I will start my webinar. As you know, I had to cancel the speaking tour. So for those people that weren't able to be live at that speaking tour or that wanted to come to one of these cancelled events, I will do the same content as a webinar. You'll always learn more about the stock market and actually a strategy that works in a post-corona area, so where you can benefit from it. So if you wanted to see that live, you can still join us in the webinar. I'll post a link later in the comments after I finish the video. And if you want to see it in the German version, the same webinar today is in English, and tomorrow we will have the same webinar in German. So I'll post both links beneath, and you can sign up, join me in around in a bit more than an hour, and we can educate you further. Otherwise, I wish you a great evening, have an awesome time, and I see you again tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.